So in today's video, we have the Cohorted box. This is an expensive beauty box. This is a UK beauty subscription box, and I believe it's like 39 pounds, and it's about 50 US dollars, around there. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it on the screen or down in the description box. And I really do like this subscription. It is a monthly subscription. It's kind of like the AIA, so beauty box, where every month they do put a different brand or curator or something like that in here, and it really is good. It's just expensive. And then also I want to show you some things that I did get in PR that I also need your opinion about. So yeah, if you are interested in that, then keep on watching. Okay, so before we open this bad boy up, I want to show you a few things I got in PR because I want to ask you your opinion on what you want me to do next. If you'll understand. So the first thing I got from Nomad Cosmetics, I am on their PR team, and I do have a discount code with it, which is Justan in all caps, but it's not an affiliate code, so I do not make anything out of it. It is a husband and wife that, and I never knew this till she told me. It's a husband and wife. That's it. That does this. So it's a very small team, and I never knew that. So it's a very small indie brand, but I always said, and I found them out through IPSY, that I love their eyeshadows. So they sent me the brand new one and then another one to try. So I want to show you this real quick. I have not tried it out because you guys know I've been behind on videos with health reasons and all that type of stuff, but look at this. I showed this on my Instagram. Oh, it's just beautiful. This is called Paradise Islands. And you have a little thingy. So you have a nice mirror. But look at this. Now, somebody in my community tab had said they wouldn't even know like how to use this color story. So let me know down below if you want to see me do a little try on with this palette. And I definitely could do it for you. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I really, really do. And then they sent me, this is from Nomad as well. This is called the Land, oh, my eyesight. I'll leave it on the screen. And that's what it looks like. I just love their packaging. Has a nice mirror again. And look at this. I mean, these two colors right here is what I just look at first. So let me know which palette out of the two do you want me to try on first, the brand new one or this one, both of them. Let me know. All right, back to the Cohorted box. Also, let me know what palette you want to see me try on next. All right, let me find my knife. And let's open her up. So like I said, every month they curate with a different brand. And what I do like is you can always look up and it'll show you what the next month will be. That way you can cancel it, skip it, or what have you, you know? All right, so that's what it looks like. And I think I told you, right? It came from the UK. Also, I don't know if I told you because I just been talking your ear off. I filmed this makeup look with the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer 2 palette. That I filmed that on my second channel, so I have a lot of thoughts and opinions about that palette. I really, really do. I also discuss what I've been dealing with lately as far as my depression, and then some really great news. So I'll leave it down below if it's up. If not, I'll leave the channel down there so you can keep checking to see when the video will go up. Okay, so this month for April 2022, they are curating with the company Fresh. Come on. I always have trouble getting these out. I really, really do. It's like always so tight. But I really, really do. Okay. All right. So that's what the Cohorted boxes usually look like. And I always tell you every month, these are like the hard, like glossy box. Like you can save these. You don't have to throw these out, you know, which is really nice as well. All right. And then when you open her up, it looks like this. So it has a little sticker. So you get a booklet this time. Remember we used to get this, and then it was like a sheet of paper, and then you like scanned it, which you still have a scanner here, but this is nice. Here is a little sneak peek. Not too much, and I like to tease a little bit. All right, and then after I'm done, I will definitely look up and see what next month's gonna be. Okay, so I'm just pulling out the first thing that I see. So I was gonna say from Fresh. Everything in here is from Fresh. And this is the Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. That's what she looks like. All right, let's see what you be. Okay, oh, I went right to the page right here. What I like about this, well, first of all, it'd be I was going to say dollars, 13 pounds. It says one cleanser is sold every 30 seconds. It tells you how to use it, why you need it. It also can melt away your makeup, you know, so, all right, I'll definitely try it. This is my friend Lisa's favorite brand. One of her favorite brands. Okay. Next thing is this thing, and this is Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner, and it has like little roses in there, like real flowers. I hope you guys can see it because of the stupid ring light, but I think you guys can. Look at that. Now, some people don't like the scent of rose. I do. I really do, so it's not a bother to me. But let's take this out. I'm going to smell it and see like how rosy it smells. You know what I mean? Okay, so let me smell it. I don't know. Let me get a something to put it on because it has one of those little like you just do this. So usually I use a cotton round and I do that, but let me do this. Oh, well, maybe if I take the safety seal off, then it'll work. Okay, let's try. All right, so I have it on a piece of paper just to see. And it does have a rose scent. It does. If you don't like the smell of rose, you're not going to like this. But usually I put this on a cotton round, and then after I cleanse my face, I go on with the toner to get all the residue and everything off your face, you know. But I like the smell. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. And lately, a lot of the stuff we're getting is like rose scent. So maybe it's like, is that this year's thing? Like everybody's putting rose in their stuff, you know? I don't know. But all right, I'm excited for that. Okay, so the next thing is Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. And I don't know if this is full size or not. I know Rose like is good for your skin and different things like that, but I know some people don't like fragrance. Like I'd rather not have fragrance in skincare than have fragrance, but all right, so that's what it looks like. Oh, I didn't even tell you. So this is 22 pounds. And full size is 100 mils. And so this may not be full size. Is this? Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is 100 mils. Okay. Alrighty. The benefits of this, why it has like flowers and stuff in it. It says it cleanses, hydrates, minimizes pores, softens, soothes, and tones. So that's that. Okay. This is their best seller from Fresh. This is 15 pounds. It's 15 mLs. Is this 15 mLs? I can't see. It has a little sticker on here, but let me open it up and smell it. A little safety seal. And this is a face cleanser. I think maybe it's on here. Yeah, this is 15 mils. So this would be $15. And that's what she looks like. So you only would put a little bit on. And let's see. Now this smells like rose, but it's not too bad, you know. So if you don't like the rose smell, you may not like it, but if you're the type that you can tolerate it, you'll like it, if that makes sense, because it's not too bad of a rose smell. Alrighty. 15, I was gonna say dollars, pounds. And then what else? Is that everything except for this? Then we have this. So we only have 4 things. All right, so this says Fresh Mini Loves right here. It says 6 masks to go. Let's see. This is really nice though. It's like canvas. This is my mom's favorite color, baby blue. Okay, so oh, you have all different masks in there. So let's see what you be. I'm going to take all of the 6 masks out, and they're all like this size. All right, so this is 11 pounds for this size right here. This is a fan favorite, and this is a rose face mask. So this is a face mask, not a moisturizer. It says an instant hydrating mask with real rose petals Suspend it in a silky gel that gently soothes and tones with a plumping effect. All right, so all of them have like a little safety seal. Ooh, okay, so that's what it looks like. And this smells like rose. But like I said, I like this. I keep telling you that I'm repeating myself over and over again. I don't know why. I don't know why. All right, so that's the first one. The next one, so they're all $11, I believe. So this is a vitamin nectar. So this is a boosting face mask. This is a brightening and exfoliating face mask powered by natural AHAs and crushed citrus fruits. All right, let's see. There we go. Ooh, that smells like oranges. That smells really good. It's kind of making me hungry. Okay, so the next one is a black tea. This is an overnight mask, and this is $15. And this is a sleeping mask that cocoons your skin with intensely moisturizing and firming ingredients and fresh black tea complex. Okay. Oh, it smells like the black tea. And it had the safety seal. I just took it off. That's really nice. All right. Ooh. Okay, so this is a black tea instant perfecting mask, which is $15. Oh, I messed up. That first one that I showed you, this is the instant perfecting mask. It's the cloud-like texture. That's why it's white. This one here is the overnight mask. I do apologize. They're both $15 though, but this one is the overnight mask. So I apologize, which this one looks like cloud-like too. This is more yellowish. The other one is like whitish. Okay. And the one that I just showed you, it is the most famous for its cloud-like whipped texture that leaves the skin nourished, smooth, and dewy long after you rinse it off. Okay. All right, we have two more. So then we have a clay mask, which is $11. This is a skin detox. So it's, you know what a clay mask looks like. These are cute where you get to try them out to see if you like them. You know what I mean? And it looks like a clay mask. And last but not least, this is $11, and this is a sugar face polish. So this is a 2-in-1 face mask that scrubs and refines. So it's like an exfoliator one. I don't know if I told you this one is $11. So they're all 11 except for the black tea. They're the ones that are 15. And it has the safety seal, and it has this one. And you can see how the exfoliants in there, like the sugar. This one really doesn't have a scent in it, but it smells good. And this one's top rated. All right, so let's recap everything we got in the April's box. It's all fresh palettes. So we have this, and you can keep this. And I love the fact that you get 6 different masks. I can only put 5 in my hand to try. And I think it is a decent size, you know, to try it out, see if you like it. And you can buy it like this. So you can actually buy this that has all the masks inside. I think that's great. I really, really do. Then we have the toner, and I love that it has fresh rose petals in it. Oh my God, I wish you could see it in person. All right, so we have that. We have the soy face cleanser, and then we have, where'd you go? Then we have the rose moisturizing face cream. So I know it was going to be a skincare box because remember I told you they always tell you a month prior what it's going to be. So let's see what May's box is going to be. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it doesn't show me. Last month it didn't either. I'm filming this on the 11th, so maybe it's too early to tell. So when I do put this up, if I can find it, I'll let you know, like on the screen or down below. So I do apologize for that. But yeah, let me know what you think of the cohorted box. Like, would you like this box? Would you use this stuff? Let me know down below. And yeah, let me know about the eyeshadow palettes. And like I said, I will definitely put my second channel down in the description box if you want to see how I got this look. And yeah, that is everything, guys. Please like this video. It really helps me out, or dislike it. Leave a comment. That helps me out too. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know what you think of this subscription box. And that is everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, And most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I literally talked myself to death and I'm thirsty. So thirsty. It's hot in here. I've been getting hot flashes though.